Hello guys, good evening. Today I want to show you guys how you can connect your metamask wallet to your Ganache app, your Ganache local blockchain app. So let's get right to it. The first thing you want to do is to head over to your web browser and connect your metamask. You just type in metamask extension. Go ahead and type this in. Then you open the first option that comes to you. That's they show you the one that specifies Google Chrome. Then you go ahead and open that because you need to download it as an extension to your web browser. Then in this place, you see an option add to Chrome. I already added it to Chrome, so as I show me remove from Chrome. So you see an option here to add to Chrome. Then you go ahead and click it. Then it will be added to your Chrome as an extension. Then once it's been added, you can go ahead and log in. Once it loads up, you can go ahead and log in. Let's log out real quick. Go ahead and log in. And you unlock your wallet. Let's just stay on this account for now. Okay. So the next thing we want to do is we want to connect this our MetaMask wallet to our Ganache local blockchain. But first off, let's explain what MetaMask and Ganache is first. MetaMask is a wallet that is used to connect to the blockchain. It's used to connect to blockchain applications effectively. Like how do I explain this? Like, if you want to make transactions on blockchain, you need your contract address, your personal contract address, like just like your account number or your bank account. So that's the role MetaMask has to play. It's just like Trust Wallet and the rest of them. That is the role MetaMask has to play. It will help you connect to blockchain applications. Then we'll go ahead and look up the other thing we want to be connecting to. Ganache download. Let's go ahead and open that up. Then you go to the official website, that is trufflesuit.com. Click on it, wait for it to load up. So once it finally loads up, you can just go ahead and scroll through. I will advise you to read their documentation. It's very, very important as you get lots of stuff from it. So the next thing you want to do is to download the Ganache app. Then depending on the OS you're making use of, if you're using a Windows OS, you go ahead and click download for Windows. If you're using a Mac OS, you go ahead and click this. So and then you select your Mac OS. I'm making use of the Windows OS, so go ahead and click download for Windows. Then it's going to start downloading. We're not going to go ahead with this download because I have already downloaded it. So I'll just go ahead and show you. Before I do anything, let me explain what Ganache is and what um is actually used for. It's actually it's a local blockchain that you can use to set up a personal Ethereum blockchain network for testing your smart contracts. As you can see, it says here, if you read this, it says quickly fire up a personal Ethereum blockchain, which you can use to run tests, execute commands, and inspect states while controlling how the chain operates. So this Ganache is actually used to like simulate an Ethereum blockchain, an Ethereum network. you can't actually, if you want to make like transactions, if you want to make test transactions to test your blockchain, to test a new coin you want to launch, to test a smart contract, you can't actually start out on the mainnet. It's not very advisable to start out on the mainnet. You first have to deploy on a local blockchain. That is where Ganache comes in. You deploy on Ganache, then you test it out, make your adjustments before you can now deploy it on the mainnet. So let's get right to the connecting. So to connect it, what you have to do is let's just go ahead and open up our Ganache. I have something saved up already, so I'll just cancel this and I open it up again. Ganache. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. So once your Ganache opens up, you have two options here. You can either um do a quick start or you can create a new workspace. So let's go ahead and create a new workspace. Basically, the quick start is for if you don't want to like set anything much, you just want it to set everything automatically for you. You just go ahead and select this quick start option. But I want us to set up our Ganache and connect it to our MetaMask. So we'll go ahead with a new workspace. So it's going to tell you to choose a workspace name. So let's okay. This will be our workspace name. In this place for Truffle project, if you're making use of Truffle to link your blockchain, to link your projects, if you're making use of, there are actually many ways to link projects. There are many ways you can use in the remix ID, you can use Truffle, you can use hard hats. So if you want to link your Truffle projects, this way you import your truffle.config.truffle or truffle.config.js. You import it here, then you save. But we're not linking using truffle, so just leave our space blank. Then for our server, you leave everything as it is. No need to change anything. Our account and keys, just leave it as it is. No need to change. And our gas limits, leave as it is. And advanced, about. Okay, let's go ahead and start up our Ganache local blockchain. And wait for it to load. Once it is done loading up, it will give you some test accounts, some contract addresses that you can use to test out your transactions. And each contract address has 100 Ethereum each. So this is more than enough to test out any transaction you want to test. So you won't be exhausting this anytime soon. So this is just it. Then to go ahead and okay, let me explain all this. Once you're done doing everything I said you should do, um these two things out of everything here, these two things are the most important things you need. This is your RPC server. You'll be using this a lot to link it to your front end project, to link it to your Solidity or your Viper, anything that you're working with, to link it. Basically, to link it, this is the network that this Ganache is going to host on. So this is the ports. I'm going to take note of this. This is the ports. Then this is your network ID. Then we have our blocks. Here we have any transaction that you do, any successful transaction or any failed transaction, it will be mined here in these blocks. You can come and check out details of your transaction here. And same as transactions, your contract calls, your successfully deployed contracts, they'll all show up here. You can check them out here. Then your contracts, um, you actually need to link it. Like I said, to link that truffleconfig.js, it will take you here. You have to link your project here. So let's go back and so then events, can listen for events and logs. The logs are always on, so you can just take your time to listen and watch the logs that will be inputted. So then if you have more than one Ganache workspace, you can use this to switch. You can use this to switch your workspace. So let's go back to our blockchain demo. Wait for it to load up. Okay, it's downloading. So the next thing we want to do now is to connect our metamask to this our Ganache. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's get right to it. We want to connect our metamask to Ganache. I'm already connected, so I will have to hmm, I need to, let's try adding a new network. Okay, so I actually tried adding a new network, but it seems you can only use your local host to host one network. So and I don't want to delete this since I'm actually using it for my project. So I'll just show you guys how you can successfully connect it. So once you open up your MetaMask, it will be on this Ethereum mainnet at first. So you have to come and click here. Then you click on add network to add a network. Then you go ahead and click on add network manually. When you click on that, they'll ask you for your network name. You can just select any name that you want. Let's say our name is blockchain demo. Then remember our RPC URL that I showed you guys. Our RPC URL. Just go ahead and copy your URL and you paste it in here. As you can see, they said this URL is currently used by my GAN network. This is the name of my Ganache network, the one I created before now. So we just go ahead and ignore that. Then your chain ID, the chain ID you're going to be making use of is 1337. It's right here, 1337. Go ahead and enter that. And we're working with the Ethereum blockchain, so ETH, then block explorer URL is optional. Now, once you go ahead and enter all this information, this save button will be available for you guys. I can't click it because I'm already on this network, so you guys just go ahead and save your Ganache. Just go ahead and save it. Then it will successfully connect your wallet to successfully connect it for you. Then you can go ahead and import your wallet. After it connects, it's not actually going to be your balance won't actually show until you import your wallet. So let's go ahead and import our wallet. Connected to my GAN, so I'll have to switch to the network I'm connected to. I don't think it's this one though. I think I was connected to test when I created that, but I don't think it matters. So just wait for it to load up. Okay, since downloading up. Okay, I'll just go ahead and switch to test Ethereum. Okay, I think yeah, this is it. So let's go ahead and import this our wallet. Note, please note, before you can make use of your basically all these contract addresses that are here, all these contract addresses, you're going to import each and every one of them to metamask to be able to use them for transactions. You cannot use them directly from Ganache. So to import your wallet to metamask, you go ahead and click on this key icon here. Go ahead and click on it. Then you copy out this your private key. Copy it out. Then you go ahead and head over to your metamask. Then click on import accounts. Then you enter your private key here and then import. As you can see, we have imported our accounts. Account 3 has been imported with 100 ETH. So that is how to import your account. And we have successfully connected our MetaMask and Ganache. So in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to connect both your MetaMask and Ganache to your front end application. If you're building a website, how can you connect it to your MetaMask and your Ganache? So please, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, thank you.